A fair six-sided die is thrown. Jason throws the die 3 times. Find the probability that the sum of the 3 scores is 3. Work out the probability that a die shows a score of 1 on exactly one of the 3 throws. So the probability the sum of the scores is 3 means that the first die has to be a 1, the second has to be a 1, and the third has to be a 1. The events, this event does not affect this event, does not affect this event, so we multiply. So it's going, and as the die is fair, die means singular for dice, then this will be 1 over 6. This is 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. These are called independent events. So it's 1/6 cubed, which is 1 over 216. B, the probability a die shows a 1 on exactly one of the 3 throws means this. We could have got a 6 on the first throw, but the other 2 throws will have to not be 6. That's 5, 6 times 5, 6. First, second, or third. Or we have to add probability together. The first one was not a 1, then we get a 1, and then we don't get a 1, so that's first, second, and third throws. Or the first throw we don't get a 1, so it's 5, 6. The second throw we don't get a 1, that's 5, 6. And the final throw we do get a 1, so that's 5, 6 times 1, 6. Now, each of these are going to be 1, 6 times 5, 6 squared, and there are 3 of them. So the answer is going to be 3 times 5, 6 squared times 1, 6, which gives you 25 over 72 when you do this on your calculator. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to calculate some probabilities using a die. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.